Today, I will be showing you how to drop classes at Enterprise State Community College. First, you will navigate to the home page, which is myescc.edu. Then, you will click the MyESCC tab in the top left corner. After that, scroll down and click the MyESCC Students button. Enter your username and password. Once you are logged in, click the Student tab. Then click Registration. After that, click Add or Drop Classes. Then select your registration term. Once you are here, you will select the drop-down menu under Action. You will click Web Withdrawn Course. Then scroll down at the bottom of the page and click Submit Changes. You have successfully learned how to drop a class at ESCC.